Welcome to Carlsbad, California! Woo! Let's go on a tour! This is in San Diego. We are coming to you from the historic train station, and we're gonna check out some breweries, delicious restaurants,
trails, shopping, running, kayaking, and biking, and last but not least, beaches.
Let's go! Woo! So we are at the Carlsbad Village, and the first thing on the agenda is renting Pedego bikes. So we're gonna go ride around Carlsbad.
Pedego, Carlsbad.
There's so many cool trails around here along the water. Let's go check it out. We are cruising. They pretty much blocked PCH today because they had the Carlsbad Marathon. So we got these ropes to ourselves, beach on that side. So cool. So I want to point out how cool this biking path is. You can ride right along PCH right here, and there's a walking path down here. Full coastal views. We just stopped off our bikes on this beautiful cliff, and look at these panoramic views of the water. It's so crystal clear. And this is winter time. This is January. I'm wearing shorts. So one of the things that makes Carlsbad unique are these beautiful cliffside vistas. And you can see kind of like these slot canyons, a lot of erosion, but it's really cool because you can get a panoramic view of the entire Pacific coast. State-of-the-art gym. To the Westin by Marriott. This is a resort and spa. We have a queen suite here. Look how beautiful this is. We have hardwood floors on the ground. We have a beautiful patio. There's so much space in here, and it's pet friendly. Look at this bathroom. This beautiful marble bathroom with a rain shower. 2020, the restaurant in the Westin and Resort and Spa. We just got the striped sea bass, ceviche, and Caesar salad. Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Fresh fish. Filet mignon.
Yeah. Yum.
Mike is trying the steak. It's a filet mignon, perfectly cooked medium. Melts in your mouth. So right along PCH, if you turn this way towards the lagoon, you'll notice the Aquafarm, and this is where they raise oysters and mussels. And all of this is sold to different seafood distributors and Whole Foods. You're eating fresh from Carlsbad.
Hey guys, we're learning about how oysters are harvested and how they grow, but pretty soon we're gonna break into this sucker and try it.
Smells like the ocean in here. So this is clean salt water that goes on top of the mussels and oysters. Depuration system.
You have some lemon up here if anyone wants some lemon on there.
Carlsbad Aquafarm. You guys get a meal, you guys get a tour, you guys get to experience a fishery. We're right here by the ocean. That's State Beach.
Ocean's right here.
Lagoon right here.
Lagoon, this is where they harvest the oysters. And that's the first time I've had oysters for breakfast.
So delicious.
The oysters whet our appetite, and it's time to head over to the Windmill Food Hall, which offers everything from craft cocktails, entertainment and games, and delicious counter-served eateries. Hey guys, we are at the Carlsbad Outlet
Mall.
There's dozens of stores here with discounts, outlet prices, so let's go check it out.
Lots of cool stuff.
The next spot on our list can be identified by usually a long line around the corner, Handel's Homemade Ice Cream. Just got Handel's ice cream. Cheers! Oh, it's the best. They have so many good flavors and pup cups. So we are at the historic Santa Fe Depot, and this was built in 1887. One of the things I love about Carlsbad is how accessible it is. The coaster runs right through here and stops, and you can walk across the street and access the Carlsbad Village. A number of really cool gelato shops, coffee shops, bars and grills, and even live music right here. Checking out the murals here.
Mural collection.
After checking out the colorful murals, we head across the street to the Carlsbad City Beach for one of the most beautiful sunsets. So we came here to the Carlsbad State Beach to watch the sunset. Look at this. Project. Got some IPAs. We are at Pure Project here in Carlsbad, and I'm trying the Private Island. It has hints of coconut. Oh wow, that's really good. We head to the Village Faire, which has one of my favorite coffee shops, Vinaka Cafe, a quaint local coffee house and the perfect place to work remote. We are at the Carlsbad Lagoon, and we're gonna go rent kayaks. We're gonna go take it out on the water. Woo, let's go. So this body of water here is called Agua Hedionda, and it's right along the 5 freeway. So you can stop off and take out a boat. Okay, so we just rented this swan boat, getting our exercise in the lagoon. There's our swan. Woo! Okay, so we paused our swan, and we want to talk about the things we love about Carlsbad. Is it has a very chill atmosphere, but there's a ton of really fun outdoor recreational activities. You can rent bikes at Pedego, you can rent kayaks or swans, you can head to some of these beautiful lagoons, you can bike along the coast, and a lot of this is free stuff that you can do or very inexpensive. Mike, what are your favorite things about Carlsbad?
Great hotels like the Westin. Carlsbad. Woo! Great restaurants like 2020 at the Westin Carlsbad. So many more great coffee shops, amazing microbreweries. You name it, you got it. There's also amazing hiking, beautiful vistas, a really great friendly group of local people, and it's really peaceful here. So we strongly suggest that you come and stay here for your staycation, for your little weekend getaway. If you don't want to drive long distances, jump on a plane, deal with airports, come here to Carlsbad, come check it out. It's beautiful.
Woo! That was so much fun, you guys. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel videos. This is the Carlsbad Library. They have Wi-Fi on the patio, and They have a cafe with boar's head. So the gallery here in Carlsbad is attached to the library and it's free. This is very California. This one is called Cyclist by Brad Maxey. Kind of capturing the everyday suburban scene.
Like how it's quiet.
Yeah. This is like being in a dream. The sky is on fire. Look at this, hardly anyone on this beach. So beautiful here. We are heading to dinner at Black Rail Kitchen, and they are famous for their jazz music at 8 p.m. on Saturdays and 6 p.m. on Wednesdays and Sundays. And the whole bronzino, cooked with fennel and lemon. Hey guys, thank you for joining us on our visit to Carlsbad. I hope that you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you on the next travel video.
Visit Carlsbad. Run the atlas. Subscribe.
Woo!
Enjoy the sunset.
Look at the sunset.